As per our torrential slide cost expectation, the AVAX cost ought to run between $16 to $36 in 2023. Avalanche is anticipated to raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. In light of a VAX cost expectation, the coin can exchange a scope of $41 to $60 for 2025. Our torrential slide coin cost expectation for 2030 recommends that the coin's typical cost might be around $145, while the base and greatest costs might be around $118 and $170 separately. Right now, torrential slide is exchanging around $16, which is practically 7% down from the last week. Nonetheless, in the beyond 24 hours, AVAX has recuperated hardly. There is a somewhat negative opinion on the lookout. However, the drawn-out feeling stays bullish, and AVAX could hit $50 in 2025. In the event that you are searching for a torrential slide value expectation or gauge, our top-to-bottom examination means to respond to your inquiries like, is torrential slide a wise venture? Will AVAX reach $100? How high can torrential slide cost go? Before we start with a point-by-point torrential slide cost forecast, we should plunge into the coin's outline. The outline of torrential slide, a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell scientist Emin Gunsire in September 2020, chiefly putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations essentially to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of hardy blockchain innovation, the torrential slide network will go about as a huge power supporter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment. As an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment, torrential slide will carry revolutionary change to fun. The torrential slide environment is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and apparatuses with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower charges. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain designers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing brilliant agreements and other cutting-edge innovations. A urgent contrast between torrential slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration system. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework develops. Torrential slide. The intrinsic likely without a doubt, the torrential slide blockchain has incredible potential and will quite often be the most alluring cryptographic money, fundamentally for its local token, AVAX, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling a trillion every second. No big surprise the consistently dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the torrential slide digital currency, arising as an incredibly powerful and dynamic power. AVAX will be the pick and selection of merchants, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for the long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of unwavering quality implanted in this token. The badge of AVAX capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. The ongoing cost of AVAX is around $16 with a market capitalization of $5,521,047,200. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the AVAX token is $101,600,023 with a flowing stockpile of $329,167,709 AVAX on the lookout. AVAX digital currency is enormously dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advancements in the current decentralized blockchain networks. The torrential slide estimate is simply reliant upon cryptographic money market development. The blast time for torrential slide drives the value estimate to remain substantial on this record before very long. Made by Avalanche, this coin has endured for an extremely long period, so it is essential to realize that torrential slide's cost rise is sure before long. In any case, carry out your own groundwork to check your gamble resilience. Torrential slide value expectation 2023. In light of our torrential slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the AVAX coin might have least in most extreme costs of $15.01 and $36.46. Separately, the adjustment of the cost is supposed to be over 140%. With a typical cost of $25.74. AVAX value expectation 2024 as per torrential slide cost forecast. It is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $30.76 to $44.28, where $30.76 is the base exchanging cost and $44.28 is the most extreme cost. Simultaneously, there are a couple of presumptions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $37.52. Torrential slide value expectation 2025. The torrential slide coin is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $41.50 and $59.74 individually, according to our AVAX cost forecast 2025. while the typical cost may be $50.62, with a rate change of around 40%. Torrential Slide Coin Value Expectation 2026. According to our AVAX cost forecast, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $63.71, with a base and most extreme cost of $52.23 and $75.19, individually, for the year 2026. The instability of the torrential slide cost is supposed to be very less, according to our cost forecast. Torrential Slide Crypto Value Expectation 2027. In light of the AVAX cost forecast, our specialists recommend that the torrential slide digital money might exchange a scope of $64.34 and $92.62 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the most extreme. While the typical exchanging cost of torrential slide might be $78.48. AVAX Expectation 2028. Our AVAX cost conjecture for the year 2028 recommends that the coin's typical cost might be $94.79, while the base and most extreme costs might be around $77.71 and $111.87, individual. Simultaneously, the torrential slide specialized investigation uncovers that the rate change might be half. AVAX Coin Value Expectation 2029. From our AVAX cost forecast, we can infer that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $116.44 for the year 2029, while the most reduced and greatest cost of the AVAX token for the year might be $95.46 and $137.42, individually. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, our AVAX cost forecast 2030 demonstrates that the possible high of torrential slide may be around $170.69, with a likely low of $118.57. The itemized the market feelings oversee digital forms of money. Thus, AVAX is no exemption. In light of verifiable information and specialized examination, there are many hypotheses proceeding for the torrential slide coin. All specialists have different torrential slide expectations to make out and out. According to the Estimate Information Investigation, the cost of a VAX is supposed to cross the degree of $15.42. Before the year's over, torrential slide is supposed to arrive at the very least expense of $13.95. Moreover, the AVAX cost is fit for getting a greatest degree of $36.01. The torrential slide cost expectation brings expect combining patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for the AVAX value that might show a higher opinion. The cost could cross $71 toward 1 year's end. The cost of torrential slide is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $21.84 in 2023. The torrential slide cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $25.30, with the typical exchanging cost of $22.70 all through 2023. What is the eventual fate of torrential slide coins? As indicated by torrential slide cost forecasts, the eventual fate of this coin is extremely brilliant. By 2030, we anticipate that torrential slide should have crossed the $170 mark. Nonetheless,